1, 2. LG 2011 sockets. What has Newegg brought us? It has brought us the last piece, second to last piece, of a computer that will help me compile programs just a bit faster. In this case, one nice hard drive. Went for the budget model, not the SSD, because I will not be using drive access quite so much. What else did we get? Standard issue graphics processor, couple USB 3 cards, oh, what's this? Now you might be getting curious as to what this computer is going to hold. Perhaps even now become a little bit more curious. Look at that radiator. Isn't that pretty? However, that is not the only one. I have two NH-D9L tower coolers from Noctua. They look really nice. Come in a great packaging. Lots of protection. Yes, that's two. Of course, you now might suspect that we're building a dual processor machine. And you'd be right. You'd be right. The extent of that machine, though, has not yet been displayed. Those of you following me on Twitter, Bombadil Bryn. I've seen this picture before. 1, 2. LG 2011 sockets. Perhaps you're even more curious now. Lastly, the key that all of this was built around. Now the centerpiece of this machine, it will be installing into that motherboard two sorry, E5 2670 Sandy Bridge Xeon processors. These were hot in 2014 and they're still a great deal. I purchased these for $225 for the pair. 3 years ago, you couldn't get these for $3,500. However, a lot of the big boys are dumping their stock, all those big server farms, and so you can pick these up. What are these E5 2670s? This is a 8-core 2.6 gigahertz processor. Got 2 of them. It makes 16 cores. And with hyperthreading, that's going to be 32 cores. Running at 2.6 gigahertz. 20 megabytes L3 cache, if that matters to you. Very excited about seeing this thing benchmark. Lastly, I happen to get
4 gigabyte RAM. Each one of these.
That is 8 sticks, 4 gigabytes each. Anything else in this box of tricks? Ah, the thing that is missing. Processor, motherboard, power supply, memory, the case. Where's the case? Ah, glad you asked. There's no good answer. However, there's only advice that comes out of this, which is make sure if you're getting stuff delivered to the city to have the delivery person to include explicit instructions in the delivery options to not leave the package in front of the house. That stuff gets picked up real quick out here. Well, I think that's all for today. I'm going to start putting this all together, testing it, see if it works. I might catch some footage of that just to share with y'all. But of course, until we get some serious fans coming across this thing, even more than these, I'm going to feel a little uncertain about really putting this thing through its paces. So if you are a gamer or a developer, you probably are about as excited as I am to see this thing up and running. The whole computer costs under $1,400 and is going to be generating some serious power. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button if you liked the video. Share it amongst your friends. And most importantly, if you have anything to say, comment. I'll be looking for it. Happy hacking.